Hello everyone. Today's we will learn what are subsets, proper subsets, supersets, powered set, and universal set. Okay. So definition of all these sets we will use in our third exercise. Okay. See first your subset. A set A is said to be a subset of a set B if every element of A is also an element of B. Means what? Suppose we have two sets A and B. Okay, the element of A are 1, 3, 5 and element of set B are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and there is another set C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so first of all we are taking two sets A and B. Here from A and B we can see that every element of set A 1, 3, 5 are in set B. Okay, 1, 3, 5 are coming in set B. Okay, every element of set A are coming in set B. So we can say that A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. The symbol of subset is this. Okay, so A, we will read it as A is a subset of B. Fine. Now if we will compare B and C, so B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and in C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 these elements are coming. As we can see that every element of set B is coming in set C. Okay, so B is a subset of C, so we can write B is a subset of C. Got it? Now we are comparing A and C. A set is given and C is also given. The element of A are 1, 3, 5. All these three elements are coming in set C also. So A is a subset of C. Fine. So this is a definition of subset. A set A is said to be a subset of set B if every element of A is also an element of B. Is it clear? Now, so these are some notes which you have to learn. Okay, important points. Phi is a subset of every set. Okay. Second point is if a set has only one element. Suppose A is a set. Okay, it has only one element. We can assume that if a set has only one element, then it is called a singleton set. So this is a singleton set. Okay, these are the two definitions only, you have to learn it. Okay, now the next topic is proper subset and superset. Okay, so we are assuming that A is a subset in which three elements are coming 1, 3 and 5 and B is also a set in which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 these elements are coming. Okay, so as we can see that 1, 3, 5 all the three elements of set A are coming in set B. Okay, so it's a subset of B. A is a subset of B. This is a sign of subset. Okay, so then A is called the proper subset of B. A is called the proper subset of B. Okay, and this B is called the superset. Got it? If every element of this A is coming in B, fine, then A is called the proper subset of B and this B is called superset. Got it? Okay. Now next is power set. That is important. It is denoted by a symbol PA. This is a symbol of power set. Okay. So the definition of power set is the collection of all the subsets of a set A is called the power set of set A. I will explain it. Okay. I know you are not getting this. Let me take some give some example. Okay. For example, A is a set in which two elements are coming, 1 and 2. Okay. And if I have to write the subset of this set A, sorry, I have to write the power set of this set A. The power set is represented by this symbol. Power set is equals to the first element, you have to write 5. Okay, first element will be the 5 because 5 is a subset of every set. Okay, so first element will be 5. The second element will be 1. Third would be 2. Okay, and you have to write these into the brackets. See, if I am writing the first one, so I am writing it in bracket. 5 you cannot write in bracket. Okay, 2 will be in bracket. Okay, then 1 we have to take 1 1 1 1 by 1. 1 we have taken, 2 we have taken. Now we have to take pair 1 2 1 2 within a same set. Okay, so it has 4 power set. Got it? Now we are taking next example. Here we have 3 elements. Okay, A has 3 elements and we have to write the power set of that. So power set A, first we will write 5. Fine. Then 1, then 2, then 3. Okay, after that we have to make pair 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Got it? Then 2 and 3, 2 and 3 are coming. At last, pairing of 2 elements is completed now. Now we have to make 3 pair of 3 elements. So 1 2 3, only 1 is forming. So these are the power sets of a set A. Okay, so here this is a general formula to find the number of elements of power set, that is 2 raised to the power n. Suppose is A element has 3 elements, so n will be 3. So it has 8 elements. So the power set of that would be 8. Okay, if here these are the, suppose A is your set. Okay, it has 3 elements. Then the formula is to find the power set, that is 2 raised to the power 3. That would be 8. So 8 elements are there. If it has 4 elements, so you have to write the 2 raised to the power 4, that is 16. So 16 elements will come inside the bracket. Okay, so this is how we can find out the power set. Here I am again explaining power set. Okay, suppose A is your any set in which 3 elements A, B, C are coming. Okay, so first of all we have to find out the number of subsets. So number of sets, I have given the formula, that is 2 raised to the power n. So your n is the number of elements given in any set. So A is a set in which 3 elements are given. So it would be 2 raised to the power 3 and your answer would be, your number of subsets will be 8. Number of subsets will be 8. Okay, number of subsets. Now if we have to find out the power set of this set A, so it is a collection of, the power set is a collection of 8 subset of this set. 8 subset in the sense you have to write all the subset of this set. The collection of all the subsets of the given set is known as a power set. Okay, so first of all I will write 5 because 5 is a subset of every set. Okay, so first of all you have to write 5. 5 is a subset of every set, that's why I'm writing 5. Then A, single you have to take. A. This A is a subset of this also, and B is also a subset of this A set. C mean what? You have to take one by one first, then you have to make two pairs. After that, you have to make three pairs, and so on. Okay, if you have 4 elements, then after making each 3 pair element, you have to make 4 pair. Fine, that should be different, or in order also. So here the 3 elements coming. So I'm writing first element 5, second A, third B, then C. Within this bracket also, 5 will not come in this bracket. Okay, so see, now single things are over. Now you have to take in pair. AB, here it is. AB, then AC, comma. Then you can take BC. You cannot take CB. You have to take BC. In order you have to go. All the sets are pairing of 2 sets are over now. Now you have to make 3 pair of 3 elements. So ABC. Okay, like this. So after that you cannot make. Okay, so there are total 8 subsets in the power set of A. Got it? So this is how we can find out the power set of any given set. Okay, next is universal set. In a set theory, a universal set is a set which contains all objects. Means what? All object means what? Suppose we have 4 sets here, A, B, C and D. Okay, here I am writing universal set. So all the sets A, B, C, D are, all the elements of the sets A, B, C are coming in the universal set. You can check it out. 1, 3, 5 is coming. 2, 3, 4 is also coming. 3, 6, 7 8 is coming. These also coming in this set, universal set. Okay, so this is a universal set. Got it? All other sets are the subset of the universal set. Fine. Okay. Hello everyone. How are you children? So after some definition, now we are going to solve exercise 1.3 of your NCERT. Okay, so your first question: make correct statements by filling in the symbols subset or not subset in the blank spaces. Fine. So your first question: 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this is a subset of this or not? Okay, so as we can see that 2, 3, 4, all the elements of this are coming in this set. So yes, it is a subset of this. So you have to put this symbol of subset. Okay, yes, it is a subset. Second, ABC and BCD. This is a set ABC and BCD. It is not coming in the, all the A is not coming here in this set. Okay, B and C are coming, but A is not coming. So it is not a subset of B. Got it? Third part. X is a student of class 9th of your school, and X is a student of your school. Yes, the student of 9th is a part of whole school students. So yes, it is a subset. So you have to put a sign of subset. Fine. Fourth part. X is a circle in a plane, and X is a circle in the same plane with radius 1 unit. No, this is not a subset of this, because here the only one type of circles are coming whose radius is 1. Okay, so whose radius is 2 is not coming there, whose radius is 3 is not coming here, whose radius is 1.5 is not coming here. So this is not a subset of, this is not a subset, this is not a subset of this. Got it? Similarly, in your fifth part, x is a triangle in a plane and x is a rectangle in a plane. So x is a triangle in a plane, x is a rectangle in a plane, so it is not a subset. Okay, because here we are talking about triangle, here we are talking about rectangle, so there is no relation between these two. Fine. So x is a equilateral triangle. Yes, it is a special type of triangle, and x is a triangle in the same plane. So here we are talking about all triangles, and here we are talking about only equilateral triangles. So yes, it is a part of this, so it is a subset of this. So yes, it is a subset. Okay, so all these triangles is a part of this triangles, so that's why it is a subset of this set. Last, x is a even natural number. Even natural numbers are start from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Sorry, wait. Even natural numbers will start from 2 4 6 8, okay, and so on. Similarly, integer will starts from integers -1 -2. It may be negative, it may be positive. So all positive integers will come. All positive integers will be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So all these even numbers will come in this category. Okay, so it is a subset of this set. Okay, so yes, it is a subset. Got it? This is your question number 1 of exercise 1.3. Now